We can write here all one file home.html. In home.html, we will use the navigation. This will be called as a top navigation. Start and top navigation and listen.
नोटिफाई में जो लिखा हुआ है ना, नोटिफाई फंक्शन कहाँ से है?
Anggur. Ki belaki ni nak.
अभी काम करो कि
Hari anggur.
सुन यस से वाला फंक्शन जहाँ
स्वागत है।
Okay, this file name is home.html. In home.html file, first we required a navigation on the top. So next for navigation, comment we have written, we'll go to this file, the Bootstrap what we have downloaded. So this folder is available with everyone. वो लाइट को थोड़ा ऑफ कर दीजिए, नहीं एल लिखा होगा मिडिल वाला एल, क्लियर दिखना चाहिए सर. Bootstrap, inside the Bootstrap folder, we can go to the site, site. So please follow this. You have to go to the Bootstrap, the folder you have downloaded. Inside that, not zipped one, unzipped one. The folder we have unzipped, we need to go inside. And inside we'll go to the site. Then content, site content, then docs, then version 5.3. site content docs 5.3. After that, folder call example. In example folder, many folders are there. Right? Many folders are there. So this is like a ready-made design. Ready-made design. Like if you want to create a blog page, you have here. If you want to create an album page, you have here. If you want to create a kind of banner, we have here. If you want to create dashboard, we have here. Right? So footer, grid. So multiple type of ready-made example they have added. Now from this, we require to take the required example, required sample code we need to take, and according to our need, we need to modify, we need to add something, we need to delete something, we need to change the color combination, and then we need to follow. So this complete example folder, you copy from here. Will example folder will copy. We'll come back to the main folder again and we'll paste here. Okay, so reason to copy this folder and paste here, many times we require some sample code. So how you can go inside again and again and the better folder itself you keep outside. So according to need, we can take from example and we can integrate inside the pages whichever we are creating or we will create. So hope your folder is copied and you kept outside. Anyone missing? Shall I share in the chat or you found it? Okay, done then. Come to the example folder. You will find a folder called navbar fixed. Navbar fixed. Navbar fixed. In CSS, we have created the fixed navigation using position fixed. This is also the same. So in this ULLI is there, for that already CSS is written. Come inside, you have an index file, open their code. Index file, open the code. And in this we can see nav tag start line number 8, nav tag end line number 32. Nav tag start at line number 8, nav tag start end at line number 32. So this section we require, we can copy this 8 to 32. Because in that many classes are added. Those all class is almost impossible to remember. Okay, so these all the classes, even the people who have made this, they have made a sample code and this folder wise they are given the documentation and example. Whoever need to implement it, they can copy and they can use it. Okay, but it's a common code for everyone. Maybe your project design will be little different. My project design will be little different, right? Maybe your project will have different color combination. Mine will have different color combination. For that, we have other option. Structure wise, you will have more menus. I will have less menu. Okay, so those modification is required. So we'll copy this nav to nav, and we'll come to our home file. We have written the comment also. Top navigation start, top navigation end. Fill question between. Nav open, nav close. Save now. Run this home file. Black color navigation will appear on top. Black color navigation will appear on top. Bootstrap.css file should be there. Container class. Container float will cover full width. Container float will cover full width, 100% width. Full width. Container will take max 1100. Container float will take full width, 100%. Nav, navbar, expandable, something. These all are the classes where few classes that we can implement. Few classes should be there always. Okay, now see how it is happening. Black color navigation appear. Next, once we reduce that, some different thing will come here. 3 lines appear. Is for the mobile phone. Make it a small browser window and then see this 3 line got change into the. So that is called this one. You can see here there is one E tag is written navbar fixed top. That is here navbar fixed top. After that button open and close. Button open and close. Inside the button there is one span tag saying like navbar toggle icon. Navbar toggle icon. That is this. So button is this one. You can see this as a button. Yes. And inside 3 lines are coming. That is this span tag. It will be visible in a small device. Media query is written for that. Okay. Certain range will match, then only it will appear. Now when you click here, it will not open anything because there one dependency is missing. Okay. So design wise is okay. But on click now functionality should happen. The remaining menu should be visible here. Right. So for that, we have to call their dependent module that is called JavaScript file bootstrap.js file. It is already there. We need to call that file. Script src equal to dist css, not dist.js. Dist.js bootstrap.main.js. Save it. Bootstrap.main.js. फिर नहीं वाइस कर देती है
Question answer. Only we are using navigation panel.
Yes, coming. In a small device, it could open. If the device is a small device, then once you click on that three line, that should get open. Refresh once and click on this. It's opening, right? So this is on click. So in entire career, we have seen a lot of websites. Many websites you will see when the mouse will go, drop down will open. Mouse move, drop down will happen. 90% through CSS. 90% through CSS. When the mouse will go drop down open, 90% through CSS, 10% through JavaScript. Through JavaScript also we can make. Now when you click somewhere, then menu open, 100% through JavaScript. On click. So on click happen through the JavaScript. And mouse move happen through the hover CSS. And even in JavaScript also we have an event called hover. Okay, mouse enter. Once the mouse will touch, the menu will open. Okay, but that less people, right? Not everyone. That's what 10%. 90%. If mouse move, menu open. 90% through CSS. If mouse move, menu open. Only 10% through JavaScript. If you click and then menu open, 100% through JavaScript. Okay, so this as of now click on click is happening. This through the JavaScript happen. Okay. Now you can say if you want to make on mouse move here, okay, possible. We have to modify the JavaScript code. JavaScript code instead of on click, the on click we have to replace by on mouse enter. As soon as the mouse will touch, menu will open. Okay, so that will be learning when JavaScript time will come. Now this three, one is the bootstrap, another one is the icon, another one is called that menu bootstrap.min.js file for functionality purpose. Okay, for design purpose these two are enough. For functionality purpose this is required. So what is the functionality now? One functionality on click it should open. Similar way we have some more functionality we can see. Okay, so come to the code now. Inside the code, the navigation bar, what we have, we can arrange a little, we can modify a little, add something, bootstrap application. people were not in the offices. Entire IT critical. No one is. Few people there. All are from home. This is the office where I worked. In front of my office, only that office there. LG software. There the road and all was always a smoking area always will be full. When I went today, I saw this is the tree, this is the guard, this is the place, this is people are not. Check now. So it's look like this. Bootstrap app. Add some more link here. We have a home link. Home. In that, give the link to home.html. .html. Next, come to the in home. You can write the icon into fa I class equal to fa icon home. So home icon will appear. Then next again, second link we have. We'll keep here called login.html. We can write here again called fa login, fa log, fa log. Okay. Next after that, next link we have. This is disabled. So we need to remove the disable class we need to remove. And then write call href equal to something signup.html. Then we can write below user hyphen plus Okay, so I did how many links? 3 links. Let's check now. This appear like this. In that, one is highlighted, 2 are inactive. So we can make both all active. In A tag, you can apply the class called active class. In A tag, you can apply the active class. Below also in A tag, apply the active class. So the text what we are displaying, this text will become highlighted. If once all 3 will be active,
Yes.
little space is required between li. So for li tag, leave first li, second li. PS hyphen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. PS hyphen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. PS 5 means 48 pixel. Here also PS 5, 48 px. In the second 2, you can write PS 55. Space should get applied. So this taking a space from the left side 48, a space from the left side 48. We can add 4 also you have to register. PS5 you can add. 3, 4, 1 to 5 is there. How much space you want to apply? Okay, one more link we can add. Service. That we can write FAFA tools or services. This. Okay. One more link. One more li we can add. Contact us. FAFA headset. FAFA headset. Contact us. But in this contact us, will not give any file name. The reason is when we click on contact in any pages, it should not go to some other page, a pop-up window will open. That is called model, Bootstrap model. Okay. Window on the current window. What type of window? I'll show you some. Then we can write. Okay, added. Now see what is that. This one model is like this. Suppose if I open InfoCampus website here and click on this, you can see model is open. This is not actual model. Model is here. Let me come. This is called model. Pop-up window. When we click anywhere, pop-up window will. It will not go to other page. Within the same page, pop-up window will open. That is called as a model. We can align it. Okay, CSS we have to alter. It will be. Okay. Come next then. So this navigation is ready. Navigation is ready. And when we minimize this window, come in the mobile phone width. Okay. So little changes is required here. Can you see that? In a small device. This is look like margin or padding. What is that? Let me see once. It's called padding. Padding left, 3 rem. 60. 3 rem is how much? That is called 16 into 3. 16 into 3, 48. 48. Okay. So this is the gap is 48 px. Because we are given how much? PS5 we have given. PS5, 5 means 48 pixel. 4 meaning is how much? 24 pixel. 3 is 16 pixel. Yes, and then 2 is 8 and 1 is 4. Okay, so this PS5 is written. So in a small device, we can change this PS5 to 0. Okay, so what will happen? Padding left will become 0. Let's come to the CSS part. Here we can write. Dot PS-5. Padding left 0 PS. Exclamation important. It will not happen, no. But in all the devices, it will happen. See, margin left how much? 0. But it should happen based on media query. Okay. So we'll write here @media. Screen and this one px and max width till 1000 pixel. Then this should work. So 0 to 1000 pixel, it will be 0 to 1000 pixel. Right, so navigation is ready. After navigation, we required banner. Okay, navigation, then we require banner. So banner will not write now. Banner will write after finishing other pages. Okay, so first we'll write in this called footer. Right, called footer. Media query is not happening. Replace the CSS. You have problem with your CSS code. Replace this. Then also not happen, then replace the complete head code. Complete head. They're also not happening, then let me know. After replacing the head also if not coming, then you can take once I'll guide next. Still not happening. I will share you the file, use this file. What is that? Home.html. Home.html should not be somewhere else. It should be in this folder only. Download the file, run this file. After putting in the Bootstrap folder, run this file. Then let me know. Yes, no, sir, come on time. We are waiting for you only. Okay, now come to the code again. Home file. After this top navigation, right below, comment modal start here and model end here. Okay, model start, model end. Next, we need to open the website. So connect your system with mobile internet. Get bootstrap.com. We need to open. Get bootstrap.com. Get bootstrap.com. Then go to the docs. Get bootstrap.com. Then click on docs. In docs link, we can find in the left hand side, scroll down, you will find a link called model. You will get a link called model. Click on model. Inside the model, if you scroll down, you will see this pop-up window. Similar pop-up window we need to implement. Live demo is here. Live demo. Click on this button. Launch demo model. Pop-up is open. So we require to copy this code. Button also and this everything. Copy this, all division and all. Copied. Let's come to the code file again. We are written model start, model end. We'll paste in that section. After pasting here, save the file and run again. Check once. Home, you will have a button. Oh, button is not there. Button is inside this navigation. Because navigation is a fixed navigation. Right? So what we can do, for now you write 34BR. We have solution for that. Okay, click on this. Some kind of pop-up window. So check now, on button click. Model is getting open. Now this button should not be there. When we click on this contact us, then it should open. So connectivity related is a simple only, not difficult. The division you can see here, division. this division, ID equal to example model, change to something else, contact. Change to contact. Change to contact. After that again, here example model is written. So this contact is the ID. Here has represent the ID. That ID name will come. If contact will be class, here dot will come. If contact is the ID, then has will come. Contact if is the class, then dot will come. Okay. Now check again. It should work as usual. We change the ID simple. ID we change to contact. We are going to copy this two line of property and value from here. Copy database toggle model, database target has contact. Okay, so copy that much and come up to the contact. A tag we have written. In that A tag, href is there. After href, you add that. Database toggle model, database target has contact. Save the file. Once you click on contact us, then that model will open. Added. Button we don't need now. We can remove the button. Button and BR all you can remove. The integration code we added for the href. ID for this division is contact. ID equal to contact. Data hyphen BS toggle equal to model. Data BS target equal to contact. Okay, done. Save now. Click on this contact. Model is open. So how to connect this model? Step is simple. For this code, this all definitely will be difficult to write. So we have to follow their official website. From there, we need to take the model code. After taking the model code, ID you change as per your wish, or you put the class or ID, anything. If it is a class, then wherever you call this, you have to represent by dot. If it is an ID, then wherever you call this, you have to represent by hash. Now, when we called here, since contact is ID, so we are referencing through the hash. So it represents contact is the ID. Now, when you click on this link, one event will fire. That event name is called data BS toggle. And in that event, one function will come from JavaScript call. One function will call from JavaScript file. Which file? That file we are calling. From that file, one function will call. Function name is modal. MODL model. Inside the model, we have to pass two parameters, hide and show. So if we pass show, then it will visible. If we pass hide, then it will become hide. It will close. For example, when I click here, model is open. Code was there only inside the page. It was hidden. On click of this, one event got fire. Event name is data BS toggle. Okay, and then request gone to a function name is model. Now request went to the model function in JavaScript, then what model function will understand? Model function will be looking for those ID, those element whose ID is contact. And if contact found inside the current page, then by default it will be hidden. The model function will make a just show. Inside the model function, we have to pass two parameters. Hide means hide and show means show. Two parameters, hide and show. Now hide and show. For example, that website I have opened, Nitor Connect. I'll go to their view source, page view source. If you can read this last point, this is a model code. Model, no? What is the ID? ID is same ID as what we have copies from internet. Where is that? ID is called as a example model. Now look down. There is one JavaScript code. It's a jQuery code. Hash represent the ID. Which ID? Example dot model. MODL. Now look inside our code. Which function is it called? Model. And under the model, what is passing the parameter? So now when I go to this website and click on this any link, everywhere we are given the same. When I click here, model dot show means model will become visible. Model was hidden, become visible. When I click on this, dismiss function will call. Means again same function will call, model only. But next parameter will be hide. So parameter will be hide. So what will happen? Function is same function is hiding the division and same function is showing the division. With the help of which one? Model function. But since the people who has made this library, they understand in the beginning, people will learn HTML, people will learn CSS, people will learn Bootstrap. Then they'll come to JavaScript. Now they have not given the something to write the JavaScript code because still you don't know JavaScript code. How can you write it? So they have made it configurable. What to do? ID you can write it. After that, this property also you can write. This property you can write. You can write it. After that, this property, with the help of this property, it is calling the function and passing the parameter and making the division as a visible. Okay. Again, when you click on close button, you can see there is a close here. Close button is there. what is calling? Data hyphen bs hyphen dismiss equal to model. So again it's calling the same function, but target is not specified. Can you see? Target is written, no target. So whichever the model is open, model will be hide. Inside the model parameter will pass college hide. So opened model will be hide. So it is internally the JavaScript code is executing, but since in the beginning people will not be aware of JavaScript, so if they will ask to write the JavaScript code, it will look odd. So the people who have made this Bootstrap, they have made it configurable. You don't write JavaScript code, write HTML CSS only, write HTML code only, write the ID class itself, but through that the JavaScript connectivity will happen. Okay, so we need to remember these two properties. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle equal to model is a fixed always. It will not change. Data hyphen bs target will also remain same. Only this ID will get changed. If on click, if you want to make login button as a pop-up, then what we have to do? ID will be login. If you want to make a register as a pop-up, ID will be something else, right? Or maybe you have 4 buttons. On all button click you want to make the pop-up, then all button click all different ID and make different model and make it pop up. Okay, so this is called how to integrate the model pop-up window. Okay, now we will come to the model part and we'll do the research of that model. So once you click on contact, check now. So hope open for everyone. In model code, some changes will do. Model is open. Now come to the model part. In model part, we can see there is a title, model title. Model title. It is the part of model header. Okay, model header. We can change the background color, we can change the text color, everything is possible. Model header, model body, and model footer. 3 sections have. Header, body, as well as footer. Okay. Model header is written pg-info, and for this model title, text -white. bg-info, text white, and change the text of the model called contact us. Okay. Now BG color is coming. Which color? See, different color. Come next again. You have model body. Model body. So inside the model body, 3 dots are there. There we can create the name, mobile, message, text field. Under the model body, you should write comment here. Model body and model body and division class equal to division MB4 or 3 3 right inside label name input type equal to text form control f should be small number email input right equal to email not address message will be text area open text area has to close then last will have close and send a message close and send a message okay hope ready save now so like this This is called as a model. So this model will remain same in all the pages. In any page, the people will click on contact us and they can see the same model. But remaining pages, login, other pages will be